As a real estate agent, you do not need to know about loans. However, we do want to have you familiarized with what it takes to qualify a person and the different programs that are available so you can have a smart conversation with somebody that is looking to buy a house. So we will train you on certain things about a home mortgage loan. So one thing that a new agent needs to know is the expenses that they'll need to incur. Remember, you're going to be a self-employed person. So you're going to need to join a board of realtors so you can then be able to use the MLS services, and it also incorporates CAR, which is your SIP forms. You're also going to need to get your gear such as open house signs, your personalized open house signs, because the main thing is that you want to expose you from the beginning. Remember, you're self-employed. This is all about you. So I would say that you're going to need about $1,500 to get started. Okay, so now we're ready to go on the field and do your first open house. And I like to think of an open house as you're hosting a party, because people are coming to you. And you should have all of the information needed for that house. You should be ready with flyers, information pertaining to the house, and even loan programs. This way it makes it easier for you to establish a relationship with a person that is coming to you and letting them know that you are very knowledgeable at what you're doing. So congratulations, you opened your first escrow. So now we need to know what follows. First things first, you need to send the RPA, Residential Listing Agreement, to escrow, to the other party if there's another agent involved, and to your transaction coordinator. And then they will start the process of all of the paperwork. By the way, your lender also needs to have that document. That is the most important person that should receive that document, because that's where they're going to start their loan program. From there on follows inspections, meaning home inspections and appraisal. Talking about inspections, appraisal is something that we need to do when the property is being financed. If you have an all-cash offer and your client is satisfied with the amount of money that they offered, there's no need to do an appraisal. In regards to the home inspection, if you find things that are severely wrong with the house, then you can ask for credits. And let me tell you something, usually the seller is not obligated to pay for anything. Most of the houses are sold as is. Now, if they do give you a credit, you're going to need to talk to your lender, because usually that credit is going to be used for closing costs. Now, I have handpicked affiliates which will be helping us in the services of real estate. The reason being is that I have handpicked these people because I know that they will do the best that they can for you as an agent and also for your clients. For instance, I have a long-term relationship with title. I have a long-term relationship with natural hazards, termite, escrow, and lenders. And all of this is passed on to you, so then you can be comfortable when you're working with your clients and build your own team of affiliates.